In this video, I just want to explain to you how other big companies are segmenting and tracking their traffic so you can do the same with the CRM. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is the fact that every time I hover over one of these links, you'll see a different link. Now, it may be hard to tell the difference from one link to the other watching this video, but I assure you that every single one of these links is unique. If I come down to the accessories, the same thing happens. And each one of these links is a tracking link, and what it's doing is segmenting me based on what I click on. For example, if I click on the Hero 7 camera, it's going to assume that I'm interested in the Hero 7. If I click on the Fusion camera, it's going to assume I'm interested in this particular camera, and it's going to put me into a specific sales funnel that is oriented towards selling me this Fusion camera. Now, you can do the same thing when you come into your CRM. All you have to do is come down here to the action links section. And in this particular demo account, we've created some action links. So I'm just going to click on one and show you what it can do. First of all, it has a name, it has the anchor text, and this anchor text is what's going to show up in your email when you add this anchor link into your automated email. It has a category, and this is nothing more than organization. And it also has a lead score. Now, you can use this or choose not to use this depending on what you're doing. But the real magic to the action link is what you can do based on what they click on. So if they click on this link, you can add them to a sales path. You can remove them from a sales path. You can add a tag to their record, or you can remove a tag from the record. This way you're able to add a tag if they're interested in the product and maybe remove a tag or remove them from a sales funnel for a different product. For example, if they clicked on Fusion and then they clicked on the Hero 7, you may need to add them to a Hero 7 sales funnel and remove them from the Fusion sales funnel. It all depends on what your sales process looks like, but these action links give you the power to really segment your list and make sure you're communicating with these people about the product they care about. That is how you get people to truly respond to your emails, because you're only speaking to them about the products and issues that they care about. All right, this is a great way to segment your email. Make sure you're doing it. And if you're using a system that doesn't allow you to do this, well, you're using the wrong system. All right, this is Gary with CloudNet 360, helping you sell more faster with simple selling secrets.